Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to automatically open your cart on the right side of your website when an item is added to cart in Shopify Horizon theme. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com, then click on Login right here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you may choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. On the left panel, click on Online Store. Then scroll down to the Theme Library section right here, which is where you can find your Horizon theme. Then click Customize right here to redirect you to the Shopify editor. In here, click on Theme Settings, then click Cart. Scroll down and look for the Add to Cart Auto Opens drawer. Then enable it by clicking on this toggle right here. And that is how you can automatically open your cart on the right side of your website when an item is added to your cart in Shopify Horizon theme. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.